All right. So today's our first day of a driving learning school. You understand? And I'm your what are your teacher? So you are welcome to Shaggi. You can say Brodashaggi driving school. You are welcome to Brodashaggi driving school.
Thank you.
You understand? So they don't enroll you for here. People will enroll you. They know why they enroll you. So now I'm go be your teacher. You can call me lecturer. I'm go teach you how to drive. You understand? So now as you don't come now, anything I teach you here is forever. You take it. It's how you. It's how you. Nobody fit collect that for you. You understand what I say? If by the time we finish the driving school, you go fit drive any motor for this world.
Oh.
If na trailer, you go drive am. Okay. If na keke napep, you go drive am. You understand? If na ọkọ̀ ojapa, you understand? Like this one, it's a tortoise car. You can drive it.
Okay.
You get so. But me, I'm a safe for all person. If you obedient, I obedient. Yes. So if you humble, when you humble yourself, okay, you are hello, Brodashaggi, take over. You are the lecturer. Teach me, so I will get it. If you humble, that's humility. Myself, I go humility. You understand? If you jafafa, I go jafafa. But if you say chocolate, dey your head. Me where I dey here, the chocolate wey dey my head, the pass anybody you know. So no problem to play rough play. So as you are here now, you are going to start the driving school. You understand? Okay, so enter the car.
I should enter the car.
No, stay outside. Shebi na outside you go take drive car. Take, enter the car. Very good. The lesson don start be that o. You don accept the challenge. All right. So, press turtle.
What?
Turtle.
You mean turtle? Accelerator?
You for press carburetor. Press turtle door. You don't know wetin be turtle. Na turtle na im dey take fire motor. You understand? If they don start na turtle you go dey press to dey fire. Oya press fire.
Fire.
See, I no sure say you go fit learn driving o. E be like say na keke napep you go dey enter. Because me I no understand you. You dey do we dey teach you something now. You dey do like say dem slim fit your brain. Wo, come down, me I come drive.
Wait, but I thought you were here to teach me how to drive, not you.
Hey, he's still learning. As I teaching you, as I'm driving is you are learning. He's teaching. Come down. I say press turtle. You know press turtle. We are press fire. Go enter from that place. Wait. Now your waist be this.
Are you just seeing this?
I'm just seeing this. So, you dey shop at all? Because this are waist wey be like say you don't offload all your intestine.
Look, are we here to teach me how to drive or not?
We are here to drive your waist.
Excuse me?
Sorry, to waste your drive.
I don't have time for all this nonsense.
Ori hello,
What is all this?
Press turtle, you know press turtle. Or press fire, you know press fire. They say very good. So now, rule number 1, if you want to start a car, you understand? Like when we want to learn how to drive in a car, you understand? Go first hold your car key for your right hand. You see the way I hold it now? You now hold it like this. You shake it. Take, make you hold and make it see what I talk. You shake it like this. Yes, that's rule number 1 if you want to learn how to drive. Then now, number 2, another thing you need to check. Now your H2O. Whether your H2O balance.
H2 what? What's that?
You don't know H2O. H2O now your heartbeat. Like H for heartbeat or high blood pressure. Because you know if you drive car when you get high blood pressure, your heartbeat no good.
Look,
you understand?
This car is too hot. Can you on the AC?
AC no dey. You understand? No be say the car no get AC. The car get AC. They know they on AC when they teach person how to drive. You understand what I'm saying? Because if you want AC, the carburetor's spinal cord wey dey for front beside the fuel pump, that one go dey cold. You understand? I fit cause accident. You understand what I'm saying? So then we no go on AC.
Okay, fine.
So
let's just do what you want us to do.
Very good. That which is for you to learn, Abi,
yes,
how to drive. Now you now on the fuel pump.
The fuel pump.
Now me dey teach you driving. Calm down. Hello, calm down. Now me dey teach you driving. You listen to what I say. When you on the fuel pump, then you know that you are set to go. So now you don't need seat belts. You don't need it. When you are learning how to drive, you don't need seat belts. You understand? Because if anything want to happen, if accident want to happen, before you come on seat belt, if you don't die, you understand? So now you want to start the car now. You now put your right leg, with your right leg, you put it on the brake. You understand? Then you now start the car. Wait. Now so now the break point. Because the wire now all this wire they know they do this car. The wire the door to the battery. Now waiting cause go start. Oh be guy. No be today. That's what they do. Oh.
Is this car going to start?
It go start. No be today. That's what they do. Very good. It go start now. Oh, you hear the way they see? You hear the sound? So that's the sound of a car. You understand? So now that the car now starts now, the next thing is to move forward. So now, if you now want to move now, you take it away from this P, which is back. You see this R now. This R is for rewind. If you want to rewind the car to the back like this, you rewind the car.
Rewind.
This N is for national. You understand? That national is anybody where I want to drive car in national. That's in Abuja. That's where they use N. This D, that's drive. That's where you put the gear like this, and we start moving. All right. You can see that we are moving now. You understand? So as you are now going straight now, if you want to turn right, you understand? You will turn right.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
This is right. Okay. This is not right. Is it not right hand? Now if you now want to turn left, you now turn left like this.
That's left over there.
No, this is left hand like this. And I mean they teach you something, you go call the kid. So now if somebody is now in your front, because this Lagos there are stupid people they are waiting. Somebody might want to pay, okay, she's a girl, maybe she's a unilag. When they see your face, they think, okay, she's a lucky girl. They want to scratch your motor. You understand? Don't say you. All you just do is to do what? You wind down. You understand? When you wind down like this, now put your head outside. No, relax your head. When you put your head outside, now say, aye, yeah, you need that. Oh my, aye, you need that. You understand? Those are the things. I don't know. I will teach you more. I will write it down for you. You understand? You can say, Papa, yeah, ma, Tibamu, yeah, man, or yeah, pa. That's all those kind of things. When you say it, they will clear. You understand? So just. Oh, all this wire, that's all that they do.
What's happening?
I don't know. At the clutch. Come down, make push the car.
What? I should come down and push the car.
Oh, you know how to push the car? We go sleep here and bang. Come down, Joe, make push the car, Joe. That is part of Lego. I didn't teach you learning. Come down. Very good, very good. You know, so that they push. Oh yeah, go push her for back. Oh yeah, go push her. Too fast now. Oh yeah, yeah. You don't start. Oh yeah, you don't start. I want to play. Very good. You also my door. So, no worry. Sorry. That's very good.
What is that smell?
What's
that smell?
What smell?
Like, there's this really funny smell in the car.
Funny? Okay, pay something that funny like a cassette. Like Alibaba funny cassette.
No, there's a terrible smell in the car.
Television. Okay, I get cassettes. Television.
Look, I'm not joking. The car smells like shit.
Okay, pay something smell heavy. Now this last one, now then they carry dirty pass for area. So you go down the smell, yeah, no worry, we don't report.
You the craze. So you the mess for this car, you still the form big boy. Thunder fire you.
Thunder fire you. Thunder fire you. You guys something they worry you. What thing I do? Which mess I mess? Where you the vest? I just mess one small mess. It's just the vest. If say I mess the kind of mess where I mess yesterday, that one will say I don't chop burger, chop shawarma, chop till egg. This is another one I mess. For die for there. Make him not mess up. It smell past this one. To a savage mess. He smell past this one. Why you say we they do? You inside music video. Even Shama they use my skill the video, but I know they talk am outside because of Insta dog. You understand? Insta dog now they carry story up and down like bone, like dog carry bone. Yeah. Oh, bismillah, no shit, no bismillah. What do that? Come on, come on. Oluwa, come. Now your mate smell like this. Now he sound like that. Ah, you don't feel enter heaven. Yeah, Oluwa. Yeah. You know what, no?